We have the answer to every car owner's nightmare. Why not prevent this from happening to your mags? RimPro-Tec is a brand new product that has been developed to significantly reduce the risk of damage to your alloy wheels while parking and manoeuvring. There is no other product in the world like it. RimPro-Tec is easy to fit, and fitting time only takes 20 to 30 minutes for a full set. The cost of RimPro-Tec is significantly less than having your wheels refurbished. Refurbishing your wheels can leave your vehicle out of use for days and cost a small fortune, just to find you can drive down the road and have it happen again and again. That is why RimPro-Tec is the answer. Choose from a range of colours and select one that will make your vehicle stand out from the rest. You can even choose to opt for a discreet near invisible RimPro-Tec. Keep your mags in pristine condition with the revolutionary new RimPro-Tec.